In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to Trust Wallet. We'll keep this simple and stress-free by preparing the receiving end first, then moving over to the sending app. Start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your device. Make sure you're on the main wallet screen so you can see your assets. If you've just installed the app or haven't opened it in a while, give it a second to sync so balances and options load correctly. Next, tap the Receive button on the home screen. This is where Trust Wallet generates a destination for the funds you're about to move. Think of Receive as the safe mailbox where your crypto will land. Now, search for the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer, type the exact asset name or ticker, then select it. It's important to choose the correct version of the coin or token. For example, the same asset can exist on different networks, and the address format changes accordingly. Always match the asset and network you intend to send from crypto.com to the one you've selected in Trust Wallet. Picking the wrong network can cause irreversible loss. When the asset page opens, you'll see your wallet address and a QR code. Copy the wallet address to your clipboard or save the QR code if you prefer scanning. Before you leave this screen, double check a few characters at the start and end of the address to confirm it copied correctly. Avoid typing addresses by hand and never share your private keys or recovery phrase. Only the public receiving address is meant to be shared. For certain coins, you may also see an additional memo or tag. If one is shown, note it down. It's part of the destination information for that asset. With your Trust Wallet address ready, open the Crypto.com app. Find the same cryptocurrency you selected in Trust Wallet so everything stays consistent. Paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field exactly as you copied it. If the app shows a network option, make sure it matches the network shown in Trust Wallet for that asset. A quick glance at the first and last characters of the pasted address is a good final check for accuracy. Keep in mind that network fees and minimum withdrawal amounts may apply, and transfer times can vary depending on network congestion. If you're moving a large amount, consider starting with a small test to build confidence. Once your address is in place and everything looks correct, follow the on-screen prompts in the Crypto.com app to proceed. That's all it takes to transfer crypto from Crypto.com to Trust Wallet safely and reliably.